Life is a journey, a beautiful, challenging, and ever-evolving adventure. Along this path, you will encounter obstacles, moments of doubt, and days when it feels easier to quit than to move forward. But remember this, every great story is forged in resilience. Your journey is unique, filled with dreams only you can realize and challenges only you can conquer. No matter how small the step, progress is progress. Each time you rise after a fall, you grow stronger. Each time you dare to dream, you inspire not only yourself but others around you. Do not fear failure, for it is not the opposite of success. It is part of the journey to success. When you stumble, see it as a lesson, not a defeat. Learn from it, grow from it, and let it propel you forward with even greater determination. Remember, the road may not always be smooth, but it is yours to travel. Stay true to your vision, stay hungry for growth, and stay humble in your victories. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, and be someone who uplifts others. Every morning, you have the choice to start again. Each day brings a new opportunity to be better, to chase your goals, and to make your mark on the world. So, keep going, keep believing, keep pushing. You are stronger than you know, braver than you feel, and more capable than you imagine. Your journey matters, your dreams matter, and most importantly, you matter. So, stand tall, take a deep breath, and step boldly into the life you are creating. The best is yet to come.